Hey, what's up, guys? So, as you can see, we got the engine there you saw in the last video, and I got the computer in place. I got the harness for the engine already in place. The racking pinions in place. I don't know if you can see it. On the inside as well, I did a talk on the wiring. Actually, I had sorry about the air compressor. So I had the dash apart, so I reloomed everything on the dash, took everything that I didn't need. I got already the harness for the power pack in there. I got all the wires working. I got the gas pedal. I did the battery relocation like I told you guys I was gonna do. I got a mess back here right now, but you can see we got the battery in place. It's hooked up. I got the cables. I got my ground up there. So wiring wise, I'm pretty far forward, I guess you could say. The issue I'm having right now, it's I'm having issues with the engine. It's not wanting to crank all the way, and I feel something off with the timing. I bought this engine used. I didn't tear it apart or nothing like that. I bought it from a couple mechanics from a Ford dealership, so I don't know if they did something funny with it. I'm not 100% sure, but it's fighting basically on compression. It kind of goes forward and then bounce back, so that's something, seems like something with timing. I did compression on all the cylinders and they're all pretty high, so I don't know. I'm starting to, as you can see, I got the valve cover out. I got the balancer out again. I took the alternator out again, which I had installed. I don't know if you saw in the last video that or not. So my plan is to take this front timing cover out of here and double check timing and just chase down this issue. When I take all the spark plugs out, engine cranks perfectly, no issues. So there's no per se mechanical issues, no maybe a bend rod or some sort of stuff. It's not hanging on anything. It's spinning freely, nicely. As soon as I put the spark plugs back in there, that's when I'm having issues with it. Plus, I don't see, it should only air be going in, not out, and I feel like some air is pumping out. So that's pretty much what we're doing right now. I know I haven't posted in a while. Been doing a couple other stuff. I bought a Toyota Land Cruiser. I've been working on it, which I'm gonna upload a couple videos on that. Obviously, when I got to this point, it kind of got frustrated, so I kind of walked away from it a little bit. You know, I was hoping that I was gonna crank it. I already had the most of the stuff for the fuel system and everything. I was really hoping to hear it crank. But yeah, I ran into that issue. I guess I should have checked it before I stuck it in here. But I was hoping. So, like I said, compression is good. I'm gonna start double checking everything. I'm gonna check all the cams. I'm gonna check timing, like I said. Just try to chase it out, see what can I find out, see what the issue might be. So tag along, and I'll let you know as soon as I get this cover out. Okay, so we got it all apart. So I got the spark plugs out so I can see my pistons when they're up, and we're gonna start tuning to see if all the timing marks line up as they should.
Dale. Nice.
Hey guys, how you doing? I know it's been a while, but she's right there. Hasn't gone nowhere. I got it loaded up in a trailer. I hit a roadblock on this project. I got all the wiring done. Everything works inside of the car. Everything seems to be working with the computer and the wiring harness. I got the battery mounted in the back, fuel lines. I went with a in-tank fuel pump from Four Innovations. So I actually got a dual pump set up. I'm only hooking up one because it's stock 4 right now. And I got the tank. Everything is pretty much done with that. I run all my new lines towards the front of the engine. And like I said in the beginning, we hit a roadblock. I believe we got a mechanical issue with the engine. I should have known better, but I bought a used motor and from a couple guys, and it was really cheap, you know. So hey, you get what you pay for. So basically what's happening, the engine is running. I'm able to get it running, but it's only running in 4 cylinders. And funny enough, it's only running on 4 cylinders on the passenger side. So the driver's side, that complete bank is dead. You get it running and you touch the exhaust, and one side is completely cold, the other one is nice and hot like should be. I'm getting fuel, I'm getting spark, I got compression. So my guess, since messing with it, you know, you guys, I haven't posted in a while, so I've been dealing with that issue by myself, and it's kind of hard. I got other stuff to do, so I'm only able to maybe take care of it for an hour, 5 hours stop a week. So it's really hard to get going, especially if you know you got a issue that you're unable to solve easily. It just takes time, and yeah, that's what's happening. So I'm got it loaded up. You see, I got the computer and I got all the cables for it. I'm doing the bay without any wirings, basically, or as little as I can. So basically, I load it up. I'm gonna take it to a French shop. He has helped me before on the Blue Mustang when we did the engine on that. He helped me on that because he has more time than what I have that I can actually put onto the car. So hopefully, he can get it. Like I was saying, my guess is the camshaft. These cars, I had no clue about it, but these cars don't come with a one-piece camshaft. It's actually the loops are pressed in. My guess, something happened to this engine because I noticed I had a cam inside of the cylinders, and 2 pistons are new, fairly new, newer than the ones that are on the other 2 on that side. So my guess is this motor might hydrolock at some point, and they replaced everything there, but they couldn't get it running because of the cam loops shifted. So even I have the car on time, it's throwing me codes that the car is not on timing, and obviously if it ain't on timing, it won't be able to spark and put fuel the way it's supposed to. Sorry for all the sweating, but it's hot in Florida. So I'm gonna show you, I know I haven't shown you in a while, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of the engine bay and kind of run through what I think I left on the last video. So bear with me for a second. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, I got the radiator in place, SVE radiator. I got the intake kind of in place. Obviously the bottom part doesn't fit, so I'm gonna have to custom make something. But like I said, I don't want to keep moving forward on it until I fix the issue that I have with the engine right now. But I got my hoses are in there, the balancer is in there. I got my alternator, it's charging right now. If you can see it, let me scoop in there. I got the alternator in there, idle pulleys, all that good stuff. I replaced the injectors, changed out a couple plugs. My bad. I replaced all the plugs, and I changed 2 coils on this side. Like I said, this side is working perfectly. Got my heater hoses there. Actually got it from Power by the Hour, as well as I got my coolant my transmission lines going to the radiator here. I also got the adapter from the transmission from Power by the Hour. I got my power and ground coming from the battery to the starter and to the engine block. Still got wiring inside. Obviously I got all the harness here, but the body harness, the one I'm trying to hide, still got it unplugged there because I re-looped everything on the other side of the firewall. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, but like I said, I hit that roadblock. I also got power and ground coming to this side. Just want to fix everything up with this and then move forward with the rest. So yeah, hopefully I get better news next time.